Does Aunt Ellie know that you guys are drawing on the window?
No!
Oh, Mama, be careful.
Yeah, that's a lot of turns. You'll have to turn in and come up. Lots of speed, lots of speed, lots of speed, lots of speed. Yay, you did it.
Got it!
Go, 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 go. Speed, speed, speed. Good job, good job. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Oh my gosh. Dude, these are bigger than they are. That's bigger than we are. Where are you coming? Sorry, bud.
I wanna
I thought you were gonna throw a sick backflip off that, but maybe not today.
run my way.
I would have done it, but you were in my
that's
way.
it. Okay, Code. Oh, don't get in their way. Good land, bud.
Wait!
Does Aunt Ellie know that you guys are drawing on the window?
No! I gotta eat my food.
Oh my. Actually, Aunt Ellie does know.
Did you draw on the windows? Yes, you did.
Aunt Ellie is crazy.
Aunt Ellie's gonna get so mad at you.
No, don't make her feel bad. It's okay, Lucy.
Even if it was wrong, we still would not get mad at you.
Yeah, she's too cute. See, now I could have recorded this morning and shown how all this room was covered in bags and floors. Here's what we did. We did like the troop method where I had a troop of kids line up right at the floor, and basically I sat at the floor, started with one bag, put everything in it, and then said, okay, you go put this in the van. Okay, filled up the next bag with everything around it and their clothes and stuff. Okay, you go put this in the Suburban. And basically we did that through the entire house until everything was off the floors. I vacuumed, we stripped the beds. Ellie went around the house and sprayed door handles, doorknobs, you know, like light switches, all those kind of things.
So cute to do that.
I know, so Joel is just kind of blowing off all of our mess. You know, doing a few things outside. We all said goodbye to Uncle Jared because he had to go. The kids had to go outside. I'm like, okay, everybody outside while we finish up. All right, we're gonna say goodbye while everybody is outside because it's been so chaotic. However, I love what we've done every night is we've put the kids to bed and we have like enjoyed our evening.
Oh, yes.
It's been fantastic. The amount of people that are like, it's been so good to see you and Ellie back together again. I'm like, I know.
It's been so good. It's so good. I probably have bad breath.
I was just covering mine off too because I'm like talking right in her face.
It's been so enjoyable.
Thank you.
I've loved having all the kids here.
Good. Thank you for sharing your new home with us. I know that wasn't like easy, but
The walls are clean now, so we're good.
nothing got like broke. Did something get broke? I'm trying to think.
No,
of my
one
mind.
of the kids' toys ended, like big kids' toys ended up in the pool, and I was really worried.
Oh, yeah.
But it survived.
Yeah. And then there was like a mask that had juice.
Halloween, and it spilled on the cover. So that got stained, but that's okay. Other than that, everything was ship-shape good.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. I can see your big hole in the ground.
Okay.
Thank you for your help. I'm gonna see you in 4 weeks.
You already had breakfast, bud.
Yeah.
The boys going in.
The boys are in the van.
Okay, boys go get in the van. The
Girls.
girls.
Cody's riding with me. I'm riding in the van. I'll drive the van. Okay. Yep, Aunt Bonnie's got the Suburban.
I'll take the van.
No, because Cody's gonna ride with me and Lucy's gonna ride with me. I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
Wait, do we get Lucy in the, whatever it's called?
No.
The boys were fighting over who got to get Lucy. Oh! Oh! Lucy! Oh! Lucy just kicked the crap out of Lincoln. Oh my gosh, Lucy loves Joel. Oh my gosh. And it's been really cute to see Joel with another little child, especially a little girl. Look at the way she's clinging to him. That has been the whole week. That's what Lucy has done the whole week. I didn't take care of Lucy. Joel took care of Lucy. And Lucy, as you can see, could take care of herself and kick the crap out of anyone that she didn't want bothering her. I'll tell you that much. We were driving and I said, what should we do for lunch? No, Emma said, what are we doing for lunch? And I said, I don't know. And she said, there's a place around here called the Creamery. And she suggested this. It looks really good.
Looking for some more of anything that comes along. Oh, forever high above, the kind of feeling of letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night winds, never keeping track of time. Solid skin driving and all I can breathe is you, so I jump only for this ride.
Well, we brought Julie's kids home. Julie, I'll see you later. I'm actually just kidding. It's been really fun to like visit, hear about Julie's trip. Literally, I can't wait for your video to come out, so I'm excited to like go watch it. When will it be out?
In like a week.
Okay, all right, I'll wait a week. Well, we're home, and the first thing Lady wants to do is lay on our pile of clean clothes. She's like, oh, it smells like all of you.
If I lay here, you can't go anywhere again.
All right, we are home. We are happy to be home. We had the best week taking care of my sister Julie's kids.
Thank you, Aunt Ellie.
Thank you, Aunt Ellie, for being the absolute best host. She is the best at hosting, hands down.
Fun was had by all.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye. Oh, you guys were coming at the same time.
I was gonna say something. Oh.